Hello, I'm going to install this kickstand. It's adjustable. These little screws right here. When I installed these wheels, I cut this one way too short and screwed it up, so now I have this. So that'll fit on just like that. Should work with these wheels, which I'm replacing. I'm putting the stock ones back on after I get them powder coated. So let's do it. So this, I believe, is the number 9. Yeah, 9. Allen. Oops. The visor on the helmet's getting away. Alright, so this thing has like a... So I'm going to need some needles, I guess. Come at it from the other side. Let's see. It's on there pretty good. Oh, okay. Alrighty. And so I guess this goes... Where does it go? Does it go in there? Doesn't seem right. Is this the... I don't get it. Am I missing something here? Was there a part on that other? Oh, you know what? I bet you there was. Yep, we gotta take this thing off here. Okay. Now I get it. So there's a little peg in the back of the stock one. You gotta take off. Oh. Okay. Okay, so now I can, I guess, put that on there. Bitch. There we go. Gee, that was a bitch. So let's check and make sure it's the right height. Cool. Feels a little loose. Yeah, it kind of slides a little bit. I mean, it seems to, yeah, it's a little loose. Oh, that's better. Alright guys, well there it is. That thing's on now. When I get my other wheels back on, I can just adjust these and resize it. Cool. Thanks for watching.